Did you know that more than half of the world's population speaks at least 2 languages? It's true. Being bilingual or multilingual is incredibly common. It's fascinating to consider how different cultures and languages shape our world. In this video, we will delve into the intriguing realm of bilingualism and its effects on the brain. Many people assume that monolingualism, speaking only one language, is the norm. However, the reality is quite different. Bilingualism, the ability to speak 2 languages, and multilingualism, the ability to speak multiple languages, are widespread. These individuals navigate between languages effortlessly, switching from one to another depending on the situation. Their brains have become adept at juggling multiple linguistic systems. This linguistic dexterity offers a range of cognitive benefits, shaping how they perceive and interact with the world. Not all bilinguals are the same. There are different ways people acquire and use their languages, leading to distinct types of bilingualism. 3 common types are compound bilingualism, coordinate bilingualism, and subordinate bilingualism. Compound bilinguals learn 2 languages simultaneously from a young age. They develop a single set of concepts represented by both languages. Imagine a child raised by parents who each speak a different language. The child grows up using both languages interchangeably. Coordinate bilinguals, on the other hand, learn their languages in separate contexts. They develop distinct sets of concepts for each language. For example, a student might learn one language at home and another at school. They associate each language with different environments and experiences. Subordinate bilinguals learn a second language later in life, often relying on their native language as a foundation. They may mentally translate information from their second language into their first language to understand it. This type of bilingualism is common among adults who acquire a new language for work or travel. The human brain is a complex and adaptable organ. It continuously rewires itself in response to new experiences and learning. Language learning in particular has a profound impact on brain structure and function. This is especially true for bilingual individuals, whose brains show remarkable adaptations to accommodate multiple languages. One area of the brain that undergoes significant changes is the cerebral cortex, the outermost layer responsible for higher-level cognitive functions. Studies have shown that bilinguals tend to have increased gray matter density in certain regions of the cerebral cortex, particularly those involved in language processing, executive control, and attention. This increased gray matter density suggests that the brains of bilinguals are more active and interconnected in these areas. It's like having a more powerful engine under the hood, allowing them to process information more efficiently and switch between tasks more easily. The critical period hypothesis. There's a long-standing debate about whether there's a critical period for language acquisition. This hypothesis suggests that there's a window of opportunity, typically during childhood, when the brain is most receptive to learning languages. After this period, it becomes progressively more difficult to achieve native-like fluency. While the critical period hypothesis is still debated, there's evidence to suggest that early language exposure offers advantages. Children who grow up bilingual often develop a more nuanced understanding of language structure. They also have a greater ability to switch between languages effortlessly. However, it's crucial to remember that adults can still learn new languages successfully. While they may not achieve the same level of fluency as those exposed to multiple languages from birth, their brains continue to adapt and form new connections throughout life. Cognitive benefits of bilingualism. The benefits of bilingualism extend far beyond language itself. Numerous studies have demonstrated that bilingual individuals exhibit cognitive advantages in various domains, including attention, executive function, and cognitive flexibility. These advantages stem from the brain's constant juggling of 2 languages, which strengthens cognitive muscles and enhances overall brain health. One of the most notable benefits is enhanced executive function. Executive function refers to a set of cognitive skills that allow us to control our thoughts, actions, and emotions. It includes abilities such as planning, problem-solving, working memory, and inhibition. Bilinguals often outperform monolinguals on tasks that require these skills. Another key advantage is improved cognitive flexibility, the brain's ability to switch between different tasks and adapt to new situations. Bilinguals constantly switch between languages, which trains their brains to be more agile and adaptable. This flexibility extends to other cognitive domains, making them quicker learners and more adept at handling unexpected challenges. Bilingualism and neurological health. The cognitive benefits of bilingualism extend beyond everyday life. They also have profound implications for long-term brain health. Research suggests that being bilingual may offer protection against age-related cognitive decline and neurodegenerative diseases, such as Alzheimer's disease and dementia. Studies have shown that bilingual individuals tend to develop symptoms of Alzheimer's disease later than monolinguals, even when they have the same amount of brain pathology. This suggests that bilingualism may delay the onset of the disease by several years, providing a cognitive reserve that allows the brain to function at a higher level for longer. While more research is needed to fully understand the mechanisms behind this protective effect, it's likely that the constant cognitive stimulation and brain exercises associated with using two languages contribute to maintaining brain health and resilience.